Totoo, diba? Why not baka magkaroon ng movie ulit si Angelica after, diba? What's happening in her life. Speaking of love teams ngayon, diba? Naka-work mo na yung Josh Lia. Any chance na gusto mo maka-work ang Kim Pao?
Kim Pao?
Or naka-work mo na?
I heard na may upcoming ano sila. Hindi ko pa sila nakaka-work. Actually, bago pa lang ako sa industry. So, I'm still, you know, trying my way.
Yeah.
Seeing my way sa mga ano, bagay-bagay dito sa industry. Pero why not? I would love to work with, actually with anyone.
Have you met them?
Parang hindi pa. Pero nakikita naman sila sa mga, pero yung meet talaga na I'm bong.
Pero ito, alam kong na-meet mo na, si Catherine Bernardo.
Yes.
Kasi dun sa A Very Good Girl, ganyan, The Success. And right now, they're going to have a movie with Alden.
Abangan namin yun.
Kasama ka ba sa mall tour nila? Ikaw yung host?
Tingnan natin. We'll see. Pero basta, abangan lang natin yung yung part 2 na ito, yung sequel na ito ng Hello Life. Kasi, yeah, I heard great things about the movie.
Yes, dun pa lang sa teaser, di ba? Napanood mo na?
Yes, teaser pa lang.
Yung dulo lang, di ba?
Yes,
oo nga, hindi pa siya teaser talaga no? Ayan. Kamusta naman si Catherine?
Okay siya. Actually, kasi kaka-birthday ko lang, binati niya ako, tinext naman ako. So, okay kami, mag-textmates kami, may message each other, kamustahan. And pag may time kami, nagsa-tennis kami. Ayun.
Wow! So, ganun na pala ka, yung bonding niyo?
Fairness naman. Yeah.
Oo.
Kasi isa talaga siya sa mga, hindi ko din in-expect na magkiklik kami. Kasi syempre Catherine na yun, diba?
Yes.
And to be friends with the Catherine Bernardo talaga. Such a, until now, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Pero grateful naman ako na.
Sa tingin mo ba, kamusta na ba yung puso ni Catherine ngayon?
Hindi ako makakasagot niya. Hindi ako pinupunta. Hindi ko alam.
Lalo na kasi may nagkakamagbutihan daw si Alden and
Parang off-cam din daw.
Hindi ako para sumagot at tanong ngayon. Pero I see them naman. Siyempre for din, di ba? They've been, nag-work na sila together, di ba?
2019.
Pinapawisan ako sa mga tanong. Nakikita nyo na mga
Ito naman, so, di ba napag-uusapan na usapang love life and kakatapos lang ng Sparks Come Season 2, very successful and you're part of Season 1. So, kamusta ang yung love life naman ngayon? Like, may nagkaroon ba ng mutual spark or what kind of
Sa ngayon, I'm still single, of course. Pero,
Choice ba?
yes.
Oo, may
kasi any doors naman.
Are there someone na, maaligay?
Parang lagi kasi kayo magkasama ni Universe. Ay, ni Universe, di ba?
We're good friends. Yung pinost ko nga before, actually, sinabi ko doon, magkakilala kami before pa. Kasi classmates kami niyan sa Star Magic Workshop. So, nagkataon na ako pumasok ako season 1, tapos siya season 2.
Ito, ano pa ba yung dream role mo or dream mo na in showbiz na gusto mo ma-achieve?
Siguro gusto ko maging naman, kontrabida.
Why not?
Kasi parang bida kontrabida yung mga ganong eksena. Why not? Kasi nga diba ang Angelic Pangaliban na Amor Powers. Amor Powers.
Pangako. Ay, si ata?
Si Jody pala yun. Amor Powers. Si Claudia Bellavista. Ayan, yung mga ganong mga ganong kontrabida na bida kontrabida. Why not? Pero genre, honestly, gusto ko pangako horror. Kasi why not? Wala lang. Parang ang saya lang mo. Horror.
Kaya ganyan. Yung parang
lang yung experience.
Kasi yung parang The Substance. Ikaw yung magbibida. Filipino version.
Tapos kasama mo si Meme.
Oo.
Ay, why not?
Di ba? Ibang version.
Thank
you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
For posing lang po. Nasa live tayo. Apo, video po. Dito pa live stream. Isa po. Yan.
Escort ka nga pala.
Ay, sorry.
Cut here. Cut. Okay, one.
Cut here, please.
Yes. Look here. One more last haircut. Yes, thank you. Thanks, Kat.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Thank you to all the villagers made this happen. Thank you, Yes. Okay. So now, everybody, this is the moment we have been waiting for. She was our October 2023 cover star, and she's one of my favorite people in this world. You know, she's been witnessed her journey. She's been through a lot, and she's always came up. She always succeeded. She always won despite anything and everything. We are happy to see this woman win, and she's here with us, Catherine Bernardo. Catherine, you know, you are a testament to how it is to really like fight for what you believe in and really fight for yourself and really love yourself. You taught this generation on how to appreciate themselves, how to appreciate their beauty, to embrace your imperfections, to rise from mistakes, failure, and make it into victory.
Wow, thank you, Tim.
It's true. And I'm so happy to see you actually like enjoy your life. I'm so happy that you are embracing your success. You know, you finally had time to breathe too.
Yes.
Somehow, despite all your busy schedules.
Yes, I'm quite busy, but of course I made time for Phoebe. This is actually my first ever vlog. So tonight is very special and I'm just so excited to see you.
Iba din ako.
Oo nga eh, ganda.
Hindi, pero Catherine, so now that, you know, there's the middle of shooting the next big blockbuster movie, and you shut in all your endorsements, how do you decide for yourself?
I always make time for myself. For me, very, very important for me is the work-life balance. So, work-play balance. So, like, I always make sure I have time for myself, time with my family, with my friends, and time for no plans. I have a work.
Ladies and gentlemen,